Hello and welcome back to Czech with Hana. Ahoj a vítejte. In this video, we will learn how to tell time in Czech. Let's first look at some important vocabulary that you will need in order to be able to talk about time in Czech. I will use the same structure as usual. You already know that it is important to memorize every new word with the proper gender. So I will put the definitive articles in front of every new vocabulary. 10 is the masculine gender, ta feminine gender, to neutral gender, and ty plural. 10. Čas. Čas. Time. Ta hodina. Hodina. Hour. Ty hodiny. Hodiny. Hours. Ta minuta. Minuta. Minute. Ty minuty. Minuty. Minutes. Ta čtvrt. Čtvrt. Quarter. Ta půl. Půl. Half. And how would you ask what time is it in Czech? Kolik je hodin? Kolik je hodin? There are many different ways how to tell time in Czech. Let's start with the easy option and round the time to the whole number. So if someone asks you kolik je hodin, what time is it? You can simply answer in the following way. Je jedna hodina. Je jedna hodina. It's 1 o'clock. Je jedna hodina. There is, however, going to be a slight change in ending, depending on the number of hours. Let's look at the changes together. Je jedna hodina, je jedna hodina, it's 1 o'clock. But if you say it's 2 o'clock, jsou dvě hodiny. Jsou dvě hodiny. See, it's plural here. The same thing it's for the following numbers. It's 3 o'clock, jsou 3 hodiny. It's 4 o'clock, jsou 4 hodiny. And from the number 5 and above, the structure is always the same. Je 5 hodin. Je 5 hodin. It's 6 o'clock, je 6 hodin. And so on. You can easily add minutes to the previous time. For example, je jedna hodina a 20 minut. Je jedna hodina a 20 minut. It's 1 hour and 20 minutes. A in Czech means and. Je jedna hodina a 20 minut. It's 1 hour and 20 minutes. The minutes, they follow the same pattern as the hours. As you can see, there's a slight changes in the ending, as we have seen before with the hours. For example, jedna minuta, dvě minuty, 3 minuty, 4 minuty, 5 minut, 6 minut, and so on. Let's practice telling time together. How would you say in Czech? It's 6 o'clock and 25 minutes. I'll give you a little bit of time to think about it before giving you the answer. And here is the answer. Je 6 hodin a 25 minut. Je 6 hodin a 25 minut. Let's try another one. It's 2 o'clock and 40 minutes. Jsou 2 hodiny a 40 minut. Jsou 2 hodiny a 40 minut. And the last one. It's 20 and 8 minutes. Je 20 hodin a 8 minut. Je 20 hodin a 8 minut. You can either use the 24-hour time system or use only 12 hours and specify if it's in the morning, afternoon or evening. For example, je 1 hodina ráno. Je 1 hodina ráno. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. Let's look at some more examples. Jsou 3 hodiny odpoledne. Jsou 3 hodiny odpoledne. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Je 9 hodin večer. Je 9 hodin večer. It's 9 o'clock in the evening. Another way to tell time in Czech is by using the following words: quarter, half, and 3/4. The system is similar to English, but there is one big difference. In English, 4:15 would be 4:15. In Czech, the structure is 4:45 or 1/4 hour. So in English, we think past certain time. In Czech, we're using basically fraction. We're taking fractions of a future time. For example, 4:15 or 4:15 in English would be je 4:45. Je 4:45. It's 1/4 hour. 10:15 or 10:15 would be je 4:11. Je 4:11. It's 11/4 hour. And the last one, 1:15 or 1:15 in Czech would be je 1:45. Je 1:45. It's 1:45. 4:45 in Czech would be jsou 3/4. Jsou 3/4. It's 3/4 to 5 or 3/4 of the 5th hour. 8:45 would be jsou 3/4. Jsou 3/4. It's 3/4 to 9 or 3/4 of the 9th hour. And the last one, 12:45 in Czech would be jsou 3/4 na 1. Jsou 3/4 na 1. As with many things in Czech, there is a bit of declination involved when expressing 12:30 and so on. For example, 12:30 in Czech would be je půl jedné. Je půl jedné. It's 1:30. Let's look at some more examples. 1:30 would be je půl druhé. Je půl druhé. It's 1/2 hour. 2:30 would be je půl třetí. Je půl třetí. It's 1/2 hour. 3:30 je půl čtvrté. Je půl čtvrté. 4:30 je půl páté. Je půl páté. 5:30 je půl šesté. Je půl šesté. 6:30 je půl sedmé. Je půl sedmé. 7:30 je půl osmé. Je půl osmé. 8:30 je půl deváté. Je půl deváté. 9:30 je půl desáté. Je půl desáté. 10:30 je půl jedenácté. Je půl jedenácté. And 11:30 je půl dvanácté. Je půl dvanácté. The best way to learn is to practice. And that's true especially when it comes to time. Can you tell me in Czech the following times? You can post your answers in the comments. 12:45, 7:15, and 2:30. You can pick any structure or method that you wish, or you can try all of them. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoy learning Czech with me. You can always let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions and so on. See you next time. Nashledanou.